friends, my name is Gurpreet Kaur. I am your IELTS trainer. How are you? I am very fine and I think you are fine as well and learning many things from my videos which I am uploading from last 3 weeks and passing me the good compliments which motivates me to make these kind of videos. And today we are going to talk about the speaking test, that how many type of questions are there and how these are sequenced in one in the test. So let's start with the video. Today I am going to talk about the speaking information or speaking introduction, how the speaking is divided into 3 to 4 parts, and speaking lasts for 11 to 14 minutes. Whenever we are going to give IELTS examination or the speaking examination, at that time examiner can have our speaking for 14 minute maximum and 11 minute is must for having the speaking. There are 3 to 4 parts. Some people count this general information as a part, 0 part, after that first part, second part and third part. In the 0 part, general information is like examiner have your name and your nickname. After that they see your identification like passport. After that examiner speaks or tells about their whole information like their name and their conducting after they start speaking of a person, and center number is this. After that the your whole data like passport number and on this date. This is before the recording. This is general information is taken before the recording. After that there is first part. In the first part, questions are asked related to yourself, your likes and dislikes, and there is definitely a one question related to the past indefinite. I have said you earlier that in the speaking, examiner try to see that you know regarding every kind of sentences or every kind of tense, and past indefinite is difficult for some of the person, therefore they try to give a question related to the past indefinite in your speaking. General question, there are three type of general questions. Like first of all they can ask regarding your hometown, regarding your city, regarding your house, regarding you, फर्स्ट पार्ट ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਫਿਰ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਟਾਈਪ ਆਫ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਰਿਗਾਰਡਿੰਗ ਯੂਰ ਡਿਸਲਾਈਕਸ ਲਾਈਕ they can have the topic water, chocolates, deserts, paintings, colors, music, reading, school, like this. After that they have a third type of questions in this. They are also going to be to the your likes and dislikes, and in this 9 to 10 questions are asked and you have to give the answers in 2 to 3 lines. Like if they talk about do you like to read, I can say that definitely whenever I get a chance I like to read, and my favorite books are related to the comedy, and I also like to read the fiction type of things. ਪਾਸਟ ਇੰਡੈਫੀਨਿਟ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਪੁੱਛ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ, ਇਫ ਦੇ ਆਰ ਟਾਕਿੰਗ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਦ ਬ੍ਰੇਕਫਾਸਟ or the tea or coffee, when was the last time you had this, when was the last time you ate chocolates, like this. Okay, after that we have to give the answer of that question. In the second part you already know that, I think so, cue card is given where a topic is given. After that they have given the 3 to 4 type of questions, like if that is going to regarding the person, then the qualities of that person, how do you know him or her, and how do you feel about feeling question. We have to elaborate that question in every kind. And in the cue card we have given 1 minute to prepare the cue card. Cue is mean clue. You have given the clue that how the question is going to be answered, and after that you have 1 to 2 minutes to speak. Examiner can stop you after 1 minute and after 1.5 minutes. or after 2 minutes. They just want to judge your grammar or your pronunciation, your fluency, and your lexical resources, your information or knowledge of the English. There is general question as well in the cue card. When you have stopped speaking regarding the cue card, after that they ask a general question like gifts. They can ask that, do you have gift on regular basis or not? We have to give answer into 2 to 3 lines. After that there are follow-ups where they have asked regarding the question related to the cue card, and in this there are also 2 to 3 type of questions. In the follow-ups they give the question related to the comparison. There should be a comparison related question, and they are always related to the future prediction question. And the questions in this, we have to answer the question in 5 to 6 lines. We can expand our questions by giving the examples, by giving the situation, and if they have comparing the two type of things like genders, like present and past, like children and older people, at that time we have to use the phrases related to those. Okay, we can use children like to this, however older people like to this. And in the speaking we must try to answer the questions which are asked to us into proper length, by which examiner will not ask us why. Can you expand this like this? This is end of our today's video. In this video you have learned regarding the speaking, and I think you have become aware from the speaking test that how many type of questions are there and how to answer these questions. And in the speaking test, when you are going to give this examination, at that time you will not hesitate and you will not lose your confidence. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon, by which you will be notified whenever I upload any kind of new video. If you think this video is going to be helpful for someone else, please share this video with those one as well. Thanks for watching my video and giving me your precious time. Have a nice day, guys.